What are we talking about? I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really surprised we're even talking about this at all. This is that Kuby Raven. I did not expect this. No offense to Kuby Knives, but I previously experiences I've had with Kuby has been that they were very poor quality knives in my experience, but I think I just got bad showings. So guys, this is the first impressions on it, and I'm kind of stoked. So before we get too much further, you guys know what time it is. It's time to turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. This is that Kuby Raven. But before we get to that, this is Somni and incredible editor. He's got some videos up that are just amazing. He actually was in a live feed the other night. I told him I was going to put it up here because, guys, this is a great channel. I recommend watching the video Tokyo by Night. Great video. The editing is great. The music's good too. I wish you guys could be listening to the music because it's pretty amazing. So, at any rate, this is that Kuby Raven that Jared sent to me, and previously in the past, like I said, I have not had good experiences with Kuby Knives. I thought they were kind of just your average, run-of-the-mill, just kind of crap knife. But this is nice, and I've been seeing some of the other videos about their knives that are coming up. This is a Jelly Jerry design. So awesome knife so far. This is the first impressions. I've only had it out of the box for, like, I pulled it out of the box, did the initial unboxing, and now we're doing the first impressions. This is the first I've carried it. I put this in my pocket this morning, and so far I'm enjoying it. So it's only been a few hours, but okay. Without any further ado, let's meet up down at the counter and let's do some initial first impressions on this knife, the Kuby Raven. Hi guys, this is that Kuby Raven that Jared sent me. I am really pleasantly surprised. I am going to call this the Groot knife because for some reason this just reminds me of Groot. This thing is actually pretty awesome. I've had it in my pocket for a couple hours now. I'm just doing a first review on it. Initial impressions, and initial impressions are this is really nice. I felt the action. I'm like, all right, well, Kubys usually have play. There is no play in that. That is rock solid. The liner's done really well. I don't feel any real hot spots. It has a unique shape, really comfortable. I did a little bit of cutting with it, as you can see. It cuts really well. The edge, I'm probably going to wind up sharpening this one. The edge on this just isn't perfect right now, and I don't know if maybe Jared had used it a bunch, but like I said, these come from Jared. He may have been using these. Nice shape. The G10 is done really well. It definitely feels like it's running on ceramic bearings, or at least steel bearings at a minimum, but like I said, first impressions. I don't know the price on this, but action on it's really nice. Flipper tab is a little sharp down here, kind of like getting into it like the Hinderers do, but I'm not feeling like I really get into it unless I intentionally try to get way forward on that. If I'm holding it like this, or even like this, it's not so bad. In hand, super comfortable, lines up for a cut real well. This is a Jelly Jerry design, so really attractive. I do like that pivot. So contours on this, all the sculpting, like if you look at this knife, there's so many little facets that you don't catch until you really look at it in the light. And then, like I said, not heavy. It's just about perfect balance the way I like it. It's just got enough weight forward that it's just comfortable in hand, and you always know where that knife's at. Pocket clip, nice, and smooth transitions down nicely, so it's not a hot spot, even though it's fairly big. I've had it in and out of pocket, like I said, in a pair of jeans, just about perfect. It's tight enough also that if I was wearing track pants, I think it would be fine. It's not super deep carry, and I have noticed that if I carry this would be one that I can't carry with another knife. I was saying in another couple other videos, I may have found a reason why I like some deep carry pocket clips. I may have found a justification for a couple deep carry pocket clips. If they're comfortable, that allows you to get it forward towards the zipper side of your front pocket as opposed to the inseam side, and then you can carry two knives. This one is one that has to sit in the back. So like if I was trying to carry two knives, I don't think I would be carrying these two, because either one of these knives has that kind of high point that if you put it in your pocket, if you put it forward, it's going to get into, if you're older like me, maybe a beer belly. and then it starts digging into you. It's not great, but it does definitely carry really, really well. Black hardware, black liners, black blade, just murdered out. It looks so good. So, guys, I'm kind of impressed. I'm really happy, and I'm glad to say that I see a definite change in what I had seen from Kuby maybe 5 years ago till now. I think it was like at least 3 years ago that I saw my first Kuby knife, and it's in a drawer down here, and I use it just for scraping off material from my strop. So, all right, guys, that's about it on this one. I'm pleasantly surprised. I really, really like this knife. I think this one's going to get a good bit of carry time. So this might be one of those ones you see the first impression, and then it'll be a while before you see the final. Kind of like with Civivi Brazen. It took a while for me to be ready to take that and get that out of my pocket. So, all right, guys, that's the Groot knife as far as I'm concerned. So I will see you guys up, and we'll do some final thoughts. Hi guys, like I said, I really do like this. I'm pleasantly surprised. I want to reach out to Kuby Knives and see. I'm going to reach out to them and let them know that I'm doing the video on this. Like I said, I think the flipping aperture is just a little too small and a little too close for someone with hands my size. I can do it. It's just not as comfortable, but action on it is great. So really attractive too. So, all right, yeah, Kuby, this is a winner in my book so far. We will have to see how it holds up as I carry it, because right now it's going back in my pocket. Guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give them a thumbs down. Go check out Somniohm's videos. They're great. Yeah, I mean, just because they are really, really great. That's why I was showing. I like that channel a lot. It's my newest subscription. So, I said, if you like them, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. If you want to support the channel, please, just as simple as sharing them with people you think would like them. And if you want to support the channel monetarily, there is a membership down below. There's super likes if you like a specific video. If you join the memberships, there's multiple tiers that get you different benefits. Everyone gets early access to the videos the second I load them, as soon as they go to YouTube. The other tiers get in on giveaways. The premium tier has exclusive content and tutorials that are provided to them. So just different benefits at different levels. But, you know, like I said, sharing it is every bit as good. So, guys, that's all I got right now. There's merchandise store down below. There's affiliate links down below. If you use the merchandise store or the Ember Shirt Co. link, just remember CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp, is a 10% coupon code that will get you discounts, not just in my store, but any of the stores that are on Ember Shirt Co. If you like those other designs, they have some really nice ones. That's pretty much it, guys. Keep it clean in the comment section so I don't have to moderate that. If today's your birthday, happy birthday. Be good to each other. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.